Create multiple writable surfaces on your office, home, or school with DryWipe. But before you watch the video and for more interesting applications, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Transform any piece of office furniture into a writable surface or your desk with DryWipe. DryWipe has self-adhesive with a removable backing, so you don't need to buy extra adhesive. Applying DryWipe is very easy. Just remove the backing paper, then stick the clear whiteboard paper on your surface. DryWipe has self-adhesive and makes it removable and repositionable without damaging the surface. You can use a squeegee or a soft cloth to remove air bubbles. It also provides an exceptional finish for writing with dry erase markers. You can either cover part of the surface or transform full table to a writable surface. Now you have a great alternative for traditional whiteboards that you normally use. Reinvent your workspace using DryWipe and transform them into a writable surface. For more information, visit our website at www.decograph.com.